Bawa ito nagbaskog pag siya gaya niyo. Na ano ni saya man. Huwag pakisama ba ang panahon?
Really?
Kabay pa boss nga all goods lang yung mo exam boss. Kaya may premyo kayo karon sa akon kan goods exam mo. Alams mo na na.
Pow!
Lapit na lang tagay sa
6 months later.
okay na bakalgas na boy? Ha boy?
Wait a minute.
A few moments later.
How's your exam boy?
Walain.
Why?
Ay, dashed.
Fix your glasses.
Wait lang.
Do you have any ano? Did you bring water? Ah?
I can't stop eating.
Fix your eyeglasses. So where's your water?
I don't know.
Oh no.
Huh?
I don't
What
know.
water bottle did you bring?
Ano
You
black?
brought? Huh?
Black.
Ay din na.
Black din.
Oh, bigla mo.
Black.
Liars go to hell, blaboy mo.
Alright.
Bye bye na. Ay malaka ta. Bye bye.
Bye. I couldn't drink water because we can't drink water during the exam.
Damn! Umana. Ah, siyempre kay may exam.
That's illegal.
Yeah. Pero okay mo ba yung exam?
Yeah.
Pasar.
Hmm?
Pasar.
Hmm.
Oh my God! Wow!
Hambal ni Mes.
Mo tayo.
Hambal ni Mes.
Ano?
Kung sinong may highest score may premyo.
Huh?
That's awesome! I know!